Hello students, today I am going to explain you how to upload the assignment solution in the Moodle. So already you are logged in by your log credentials into the Moodle. Then you have to click on the courses, which courses you are having now. In that courses in progress you will find your all subject. You have to click on the proper subject. Let's consider ME 1102 is my course. Click on that course. When you click on that course, all the material loaded under each topic will come in front of you. So under topic 1, this is the topic 1, and under that topic 1 you will find here assignment number 1, and here it is showing message not submitted, and your student, you have to submit the assignment. What you have to do, you have to click on this assignment 1. After clicking on assignment 1, you will find that submission status not attempt, grading status not graded, due date it is 13 March, time remaining 60 15 hours, last modified no, submission comment no comment at all. No student have submitted the assignment. Assignment is uploaded by your faculty, but student have to submit assignment on this Moodle platform, that is LMS. So how to students are going to submit that? So they have to click on this add submission. Here is that add submission button. You are student and you are performing this activity. You have to click on add submission. When you click on add submission button, you will find that one arrow is dropping down here. So you can drag your solution, PDF file, Word file, any format file you can drop in this window, because your solution file is ready. Let's consider this is my solution file. This PDF file is solution file. I will just drag it and I will drop it here. When I will drag and drop, it will get uploaded into the Moodle. It is getting uploaded into the Moodle. Now it is done. Your file will be here. Your assignment is uploaded on the Moodle. Now whether it shows whether the student want to save the changes or not. Yes, definitely I have submitted the assignment. I want to save the changes. I will click on the save the changes. Once I click on the save the changes, here you can see the status of submission status. Draft not submitted, that comes here. Grading status not graded. Everything remains same, but file submission, here you can find your file is uploaded. When you will find this file is uploaded and just go down, you will find whether you want to submit the assignment or not. Just click on the submit assignment. Now see, this submission is my own work, except where I have acknowledged the use of work of other people. Are you sure you want to submit? Once again it will prompt you whether you want to continue. This work is done by completely by you. It is prompting that message. Yes, it is done by myself. And by clicking that, I will click on continue. Now this you will find, if your faculty have set that submit while uploading the assignment, if faculty have set the setting like this will available there. Otherwise that will not be there. You have to just click on the continue. You will find that now your assignment is for submitted for grading. Before that it was coming that submitted, but not as a, it is as a draft, not for grading. Now it is submitted for grading. So friends, how you now you will be able to upload your assignment, whatever the subject may be. So try this and upload your assignment of all subject. Thank you. Thank you very much to all students. I'm stopping this sharing.